Today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander and I'm going to show you how to open up the fuel door on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm going to show you how to open the fuel door, gas cap if it has it, on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the vehicle, right? I'm behind the vehicle, behind the steering wheel of this vehicle. In order to open up the gas cap or the fuel door on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander, what you'll do is the vehicle's in park. I'm going to open up the door and I'm going to look down. When you see this right here, there is a lever. And I'm going to go ahead and take this and pull it. Here, click, and then I'm going to get outside of the vehicle. I'm going to walk towards the rear of the vehicle. See this right here? It opens like that. So now this is open. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and read this. There's a caution warning on here, so you should read this before you're doing this. Spin this, and now I'm able to add fuel to this Mitsubishi Outlander. When I'm done, I'm going to take this and put the gas cap back on, and then shut the door. All right, just like that. That is how you add or open the fuel door and gas cap on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.